Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this ripped paper effect on Photoshop. So I'm just going to get this picture of a donut. It's going to be super weird because I'm just too lazy to find like stock pictures, so we're gonna have to deal with that. Then I am going to find like a ripped paper effect and I'm just going to add that in. Like that. You can like even make it diagonal, but I'm just going to leave it like this. I'm going to place the donut on top and I'm just going to right click, create clipping mask, like that. And then we're going to add another picture underneath that. So I'm just going to grab a picture here and I'm just going to place it underneath the donut. Then we're going to select this, press Control on your keyboard, select this area, and then we're going to select this area, and then we're going to make clipping mask. Select this one. Wait, select this and kind of like move it down just a little bit. Then we're going to select the rip paper, right click, or well, just press Control T, right click, and then warp. And we're just going to make it like so it's a little bit irregular because like a paper rip isn't supposed to be that perfect. And then we're going to double click it to add in a shadow. So select drop shadow. And here you can kind of adjust the opacity if you would like to, and the distance and the spread and whatnot. And if you're satisfied, just press OK. Whoa, I just moved it a lot. And that is it. Super simple. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.